Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Be sure to hit the great notification bell so that you never miss any of my amazing recipes. So today I'm making a cheese flan. I can't exactly remember the name of it, but it'll be in the description below. So I'm going to start with a cup of sugar. I am talking to y'all today because my husband's not here to help me. And I've never made this before, but anyhow, you guys know how I do when I film by myself. I'm a mess. I'm all over the place, and so I'm gonna start this low and slow because we do not want this to burn, they say. You have to keep mixing because the sugar is a wet ingredient, so you just have to keep on mixing until it is caramelized. Now 9 times out of 10 I'm going to edit a lot of this out, but I will put the link in the description, and we're just going to keep this moving. And you want to go low and slow until it starts to kind of, you see it'll start clumping up here in a minute. So kind of fill it under the spatula a little bit. So you don't want to stop stirring. So guys, I have to sit down and do this because of my current health status. So I can't just stand up and give you my hands anymore for a while because, you know what, I am stirring. What is that? Might be just some sugar. But as I was saying, because of my health situation, as you can tell, I'm frequently out of breath. I am not able to move around too much and stand for too long. Let me tell you, I have to find a pan because it's gonna have to be in a water bath. But if I can't put it in the water bath, girl, to do this again. I've never done this recipe before, so automatically, you know, I'm already thinking I messed up because, oh, look at that. This is rock hard. Let me stop for a minute. So I'm gonna get this brown. If I have to start over, I will let you guys know. One 12-ounce can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk. I'm excited because I've never made this before, so I'm like, oh my god. Okay, so here I have 4 eggs. I'm gonna put those in there. 1 8-ounce block of Philadelphia. Oh Lord. Let me scrape it down, even if it takes all night. Okay guys, so here's what you have. Here's what we're doing. The sugar. It worked. I did it, guys. You're gonna get rock hard. You feel it. It's like caramel rock candy. So I need a water bath outside of this. Oh, I did have one. I'm gonna use my cast iron skillet. Oh yeah, that's what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna pour this. I'm gonna let this settle. Before you guys put it in here, let it rest for about 10 or 15 minutes because once the bubbles are all out of there and it's all rested, and that's some air, and it's all rested, I'm gonna take that. All right guys, we're back with the finished product. It's done. I baked this for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Every oven is not created equal. But keep an eye on it because that very jiggle is what you're looking for. And you don't want to overcook this. You don't want to undercook it. If you overcook it, then it will start to crack, and you do not want that. So I did it in a water bath, remember that. But as I said, you want this to sit and cool for about 1 hour, and then you want to put it in the refrigerator uncovered for anywhere from 4 hours to 4 days, 3 days. And the way we are around here, Honey, this ain't gonna sit that long. That's what I know to be true. So, there we have it. What are those spots? Air bubbles. Guys, flan, don't worry about the fingerprints. That's all me. And if you try this recipe, do let me know. Tag us down below. And I will also put a link to the Goya recipe in here so that you guys can try it. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful week and wonderful day. And I will see you in the next video.